Kodwa South Africa idrama into esinayo bafethu. Idrama into esinayo. Uyabona njengamanje njengoba ngikhuluma nani namhlanje kuyiMonday. Zo 3 today kuMonday August. Manje isiphakela umthakathi vessels ogogo no mama. Njengamanje. Manje uphakela umthakathi vessels ogogo. Uyazi bafowethu angazi ukuthi beningenze njani ukuthi nicele wonke ama landlords nicele bonke ogogo Nkosi abaqashisele amakula izitolo baqashisele abantu bokufika mhlawumbe nama room nike nibenze ukuthi nabo bafile ukuthi they are part and parcel ye South Africa. Uyazi kubhlungu ukuthi unamandla unamajaqamba nasehlathini uyoma umisimbi lapho uphikisane nogogo ugogo ebenendlela abona ngayo ukuthi nginabazukulu labavuka abadlile ngalama room nginabazukulu la bayafunda ngalama room bese wena uzovele nje impela uphendula isalukazi lesi ositshele thona awudlali wena akudlalwa la eqinisweni lonke liphelele abantu benkosi mina ngibona isiqalekiso manje ngibona sifa kabuhlungu ngibona sigula kabuhlungu ngibona sijeza ngibona isijeziso nje kuphela kulento lena ngoba awukwazi ukuthi umuntu omdala angaka understand ukuthi kwenzakalani nokuthi kuyowenzakalani uvela ubese umenza ungathi uya understand. Ngibuka ama video manje a trendayo. That is why ngithi phakela umthakathi vessels ogogo no mama abaqashisa abantu bokufika. So abomama laba nabogogo laba balwela ukuthi mawusithathela labantu yikuphi ozosibekela kona etafuleni. Yikuphi namhlanje esizokubekela abantwana etafuleni ukuthi badle. Bayadinga ukuthi ba-understandiswe. Bayadinga ukuthi balalise sibenzeni abantu abadala bayithi ingqondo zabo ayisafani nezethu. Thina sinamaplani njengoba singomalala phenduke. Namhlanje singaba busy kumbhikisho lo mara sibe sineplan ukuthi egcineni wawo siyazi sizotholana. Ogogo ba on a blank page. Abazi lutho. Abazu nakhona lawo ma room lawo noma lo mcashi lo wokufika bamtholele ebunzimeni after isikhathi eside maybe ugogo lona uhole unyaka wonke eloke ezama ukuthenga usemende athenga izitina athi mangake ngimise okungama room nyana okuthathu ngicashise la kuyoba khona Nkosi yami ngiyocosha nami ikateziko. So ukwenzile umuntu omdala lokho sekwenzakele then out of the blue all of a suddenly ngokusa nje kuphela kwemicabango yethu esiyintsha yanamhlanje then uzofika kugogo uthi gogo mina sengimdala ngithi labantu laba basosososo angisabafuni kule country yami. Ugogo lo ulwa nje unolwazi ukuthi udlulephi ubuya kusiphi isimo ukuze agcina akusukuthi bakithi thina esihlakaniphile namhlanje abantu abadala laba esinawo bebangahlakaniphanga noma bebangazi lutho bebazi ingakho bake basebenzela nasemakhishini bagcilazwa belungu. Namhlanje labantu abadala sebazogcilazwa yithi inzalo yabo sibahlukumeza ngalohlobo. Impela nje ikona lokho esithi thina siyothola isibusiso ngalokho. Ikona lokho esithi siyakhulekela entabeni. Cha bafowethu. Cha bafowethu. Yabona kule ndaba othi manje intsha yase South Africa seyilwa nezalukazi manje ayingiphathi kahle neze leyo. Into yokuthi manje izalukazi seziyakhala inyembezi zikhaliswa ithina bantu abasha esibhikishayo ukuthi abantu bokufika abahambe. So bakithi kuyiproblem ngempela njengamanje ingawo ngithi mina manje kushuthi kahle kahle manje ngiwabonile nje ama video lapha uphakela umthakathi ekhuluma nomunye umama lapha sekubhlungu bafowethu. Ucanga ukuthi impela ukhona umama or ugogo wase South Africa ongavele abe against umntanakhe wase South Africa okuphakela umthakathi akekho. So bekumele ngabe nine mhlawumbe niyazama ukuthi nibize abantu abadala bonke laba abanabantu ababaqashisele nibachazele ba-understande baninikeze imibuzo niphendule leyo mbuzo leyo ukuthi cha uma senza njena nini nizophila nga 1 2 3 hayi ukuthi nithi abaphume bazosibona phela vele thina njengoba simnomfutho kanje sesiyadla kulento sekhona la sidla khona khona iminikelo engenayo sekukhona into esisupporta sesinama plan vele sesingama celebrity sidumile ngalento yemasheni mashi so labantu abadala laba bona ke bafuna ukwazi ukuthi mangabe ukhipha lomqashi ukhipha lomndiya lapha kule tax shop yena uyosala abhadala ngani school fees sengane yakhe uyosala ethenga ngani uniform lefunakala esikoleni ingane manje kuyoba uDecember ezinye ayikhokhanga ngeze wathola ama results uma bangawathola ama results abakhokhanga angeke sibhikishe sithi sibhikishela umndeni wakamkhize lapha ukuthi awutholanga umntana khona akatholanga ama results because of beyangena imali yokubhadala ngeke sikwenze senza kuphela thina lokho esibonayo ukuthi kuvuna thina bafowethu asiyekeleni ke manje ukulwa nabantu abadala asibachazeleni asibizeni meeting ngokusheshsha abantu abadala bachazele ukuthi njengoba sinithathela labantu abanikeza isinko sangemihla iplan yethu nayi sesiyayenza ngoba empilweni bakithi ilanga nelanga usuku nosuku njengoba siyesibone lapha ukuthi after imasheni march kuyangena kuyadliwa kuba nenyama kube nanana labantu abadala bona bazodlani mase kuxoshwe labantu bokufika yilapho nje kuphela ngithi mina ngomfundisi wamaqiniso ngicela please le message nindlulise fast ifike kulabantu vele ekuyibona babize wonke umuntu especially labakhulile mangabe uyenza lento kithina thina senama plan njengoba ubona namanje sendleleni siyahlanganisa so umuntu omdala uzomtshela wena ngenyanga ezimbili ezintathu ukuthi hey lento lendlela libophila ngayo asisayifuni thina bantwana bakho noma thina sizukulwane sakho sesidabange ngenye indlela utshela umuntu omdala impela lokulethe emhlabeni isibusiso sikhona lapho ninaso yini isibusiso kuleyo nto cha ngeke bafowethu ngeke never ngiyanicela bizana meeting fast nibiza abantu abadala nibachazele babe ku page elilodwa bazi ukuthi izingane zethu zisisusa la kulobugcila lobo basifaka lapha kulela Canaan hayi ukuthi thina sithatha abantu abadala la sithi siyabasisa eGibhithe kanti siyobashiya endleleni yithina siyongena eCanaan labantu abasena plan amadolo abhlungu abasakwazi kusebenza bashaya ama hydratics bekade basebenza emakitchen bashaywa amanzi too much banesifo samathambo abasena
guys, how are you again? You can listen to what I'm going to say now if you want. If you don't want, you can shut up. That's cruel. When the march and march started, they said that the reason we are unemployed in South Africa is because the foreigners are taking our jobs. Ne? And some of you said, yes, the reason I'm sitting at home not having a job is because of the foreign nations. No, so I need to strike. I need to support Jacinta so I can get a job. There's the plan. There's the movement. Now, 500 Ghanaians left. It means we have 500 jobs somewhere. We don't know where. 2,000 or 3,000 are sitting there in Cape Town. Meaning we have 2,000 jobs available. And others are also leaving, meaning the job spaces are now more. Now here is my question to the South Africans. Was March and March leaders not supposed to now say, guys, we see the media is saying that 5,000 Ghanaians have left, meaning that we have 5,000 jobs available. Meaning from the people who are striking with us, 5,000 needs to go and occupy those jobs. We have almost 2,000 people sitting in Cape Town, meaning there are 2,000 jobs that are open for us. We need to go to these companies and make sure that you guys occupy these spaces because these companies are going to close. This is our plan. I know someone will come and say, no, we cannot occupy the jobs immediately. I don't know why. They will say that, But for me, it will make sense for, okay, there are 5,000 spaces. Now we need to locate these companies and we need to put these people in those places. Now here is my turning point, or something that I don't understand. Jacinta is saying nothing about that. She's not saying, she's saying nothing about the foreigners that already have left, the foreigners that are sitting there, and the jobs that they have left. There's nothing they are saying about occupying those spaces. The only thing that Jacinta is saying is that we keep on striking. So, for my understanding, it will be whether there is spaces open for you South Africans. We don't care. We're going to strike. The plan is to make sure all the foreign nationals leave this country. The plan is not for you to go to work. Because if she starts telling you that there are spaces out there, the March and March group will become lesser. And there's not a plan. The plan is to make sure that we march until the votes come. Because why would Jacinta say, from now on we're going to march every Thursday? Can you guys make me understand why is she now saying that from now on we are going to march every Thursday? When there is a lot of jobs that are empty, that needs to be filled. I need for you guys to explain that to me. And the other thing that I need you guys to explain to me is that the government has said we're going to make something, we are starting to make something about that problem. Give us time. Obviously, they are acting on what you are fighting for. So what is this thing of, no, we're not stop. We're not going to stop striking. We're going to continue striking until all the foreign nationals are out. Now, here is my 2 cents. I know I don't have a degree, I don't have a diploma, but here is my 2 cents. This thing was planned by Zuma and whoever is on their side. Or you know what? This is what you are going to do. You are going to come out as a neutral person. You are going to tell these people you are marching for them. You are marching for them. These people must leave Abahambe. All the parties that we will make sure that you must first make sure that you get them on your side. As a neutral someone, you're going to tell them you don't have a party. You are doing it as a neutral person because the government is not listening to you. As the strike goes on, and you see it is gaining momentum, and you have a lot of supporters. Now you're gonna start introducing MK party. But how you are going to introduce it? You are going to criticize the parties that are not joining you. The parties that are not supporting March and March. You're gonna start showing them. You see AFF is against March and March. You see PA is against March and March. You see DA is against March and March. But you don't talk about MK party. As it gaining momentum, you're going to start saying now, which parties are you guys going to vote for when the votes come? You now saw and realize the parties that are not supporting you as South Africans. Automatically, who must you vote for? You must vote for the parties that supported the march. Which are those parties that supported the march? It's MKP and Action SA. Hey, these people will play with us. And we keep on falling for the same trap. Each and every time there's votes, we keep on falling for the same trap. Didn't Jacinta say she is not part of politics because she has a problem with the politicians? The party that Jacinta wants us to vote for is the same party that is number 2 is ingenuine. They are part of the government right now. They are part of our problem. They are the reasons why there are foreigners in South Africa, because they have power. They have ministers in the government. Now Jacinta is actually saying that we must not vote for EFF, we must not vote for ANC, we must not vote for PA, because they are the corrupt ones, because they are the ones who are making these people come to South Africa. But vote for MK Party, because MK Party is the one that is saying these people must leave. The same MK Party that has a lot of seats in the government. No, I respect Zuma. President, I understand when they say someone who comes in out of jail, he can change all his ways, but the mindset will never change. And he will always use that mindset, the jail mindset. He will always use it. He is just going to use it on an illegal platform. He's going to use the same mindset, but he's going to use that mindset legally, in the right way. But he will still be a criminal. These people are playing with us, and we are letting them play with us. Every time there are votes, someone comes with some plan. The last time was Gayton, who did the same thing, and people voted for him. Now he's the same Gayton who is insulting you and saying that he is not marching. Now, Jacinta comes with a better plan. Anyways, as a South Africa, it's your choice to vote for whoever you vote for. It's your choice to follow whoever you follow. So, good luck. I hope you make a right choice from today.